In this video, I explain short questions about measure of center tendency, and the other name of measure of center tendency is measure of location. If you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. This is part second. The link of part first of short questions you can find at end screen. So now let's start. Question number 28. The arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean of a distribution of a continuous variable. As you know, continuous variable is the variable which is measurable. Mean it will be in points. The discrete variable is a variable which is countable, and discrete variable present only in numbers like 2, 5, 7. So a distribution of continuous variable were calculated as 23.95, 24.85 and 25.15. Identify the arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. So to calculate this question, first we see the relation among arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. This is the relationship. Remember this. Arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean and geometric mean is greater than harmonic mean. So from these answers, to get, first of all we search for arithmetic mean, and this equation shows arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean and harmonic mean. So we search maximum value among these values. So this value 25.15 is greater than among these two values 23.95 and 24.85. So according to this relationship, 25.15 is our arithmetic mean. Right here 25.15. And then again see the relationship. The value of geometric mean is greater than harmonic mean. So we remains these two values and we search which value is greater. 24.85 is greater value than 23.95. So according to this relationship, this is geometric mean 24.85, and then 23.95 is the smallest value among these two values, and this relationship shows harmonic mean is least as compared to arithmetic mean and geometric mean for same data set. So we write 23.95 here. So our arithmetic mean is equal to 25.15, geometric mean is equal to 24.85 and harmonic mean is equal to 23.95. Question number 29. The harmonic mean and geometric mean of two numbers are 3.2 and 4 respectively. Find numbers and their arithmetic mean. So respectively means first value is harmonic mean and the second value is geometric mean, because here harmonic mean is right at first position and first value is harmonic mean and the second value is geometric mean. Find the numbers and arithmetic mean. Our two tasks. First we calculate numbers and then arithmetic mean. So as you know, formula of arithmetic mean is n over 1 over xi plus 1 over sum of xi. So we can write it as n over 1 over x1 plus 1 over x2, because we have two numbers, so we go for two numbers. If you have n number and further go so on, 1 over x3, so on 1 over xn small. So n is 2 because we have two numbers. So 2 over 1 over a, first number is supposed that in general form a and second number is b, 1 over b. So by taking LCM AB and after simplification we got 2ab over a plus b. When we take here ab, here is a plus b, and after inverting 2ab over a plus b is equal to 3.2. And by definition, geometric mean is under root ab, reciprocal nth root of the number of values. The definition of geometric mean is nth root of the number of values. Here we have two values, a and b. So its square root is square root. When we take square root, for taking the square root of 4 is equal to 16, and here square root is vanish. ab is equal to 16 after simplification, and 2ab over a plus b is equal to 3.2. Now put the value of ab in this equation to calculate a plus b. When we write here, this is 16. By cross multiplication, 3.2 comes here by cross multiplication, and a plus b goes this side, and 2 goes by as a divisor of a plus b by cross multiplying. So here we got a plus b by 2, which is arithmetic mean, and we have left and our left side is 16 over 3.2. So again see by cross multiplication, because our task is to calculate arithmetic mean. So we can do this by cross multiplication. When we cross multiplying, 3.2 goes the divisor of this side, and this term goes here, and 2 is the divisor. And now this term is equal to arithmetic mean. The formula of arithmetic mean is a plus b by 2. So 16 divided by 3.2, arithmetic mean is equal to 5. The solution of the equation ab is equal to 16, a plus b is equal to 10. These are. So we have left these two equations, ab is equal to 16 and a plus b is equal to 10. Our task is to calculate two numbers. So simplifying this 16 with 2, so we got 8 and 2. 8 and 2 are such numbers, when we multiply these two numbers, the answer is 16. When we add up these two numbers, answer is 10. So here what we you to do, simplification on this 16. So first divide with 2, start with the smallest term, answer left 8. And if you got your number here, then stop the procedure, otherwise continue. And we got numbers at first step. So 2 and 8. 2 and 8 are such numbers. When we add up these two numbers, the answer is 10, 8 plus 2. And when we multiply these two numbers, answer is 16. So in this question, we completed our two tasks. Here we calculate arithmetic mean, and here we find the two numbers. Question number 30. The mean of 10 numbers is 8. If an 11th number is included, the mean becomes 9. What is the value of 11th number? I read question again. The mean of 10 numbers means we have 10 numbers, n is equal to 10, and its mean x bar is 8. This statement show number of observation n1 is 10 and its mean x bar is 8. And we find here sum of x or sum of 10 numbers. You can say it sum of 10 numbers or sum of x, in other words. So as you know, simple formula, direct formula for ungrouped data of arithmetic mean is x bar is equal to sum of x over n. And when we want to find sum of x, by cross multiplication, sum of x is equal to n x bar. So our n is 10, x bar is 8. 10 multiplied by 8 is equal to 80. Now we move next statement. If an 11th number is included, so here our small n number of observation is 11 and its mean becomes 9. So x bar 9. Sum of x, sum of 11 numbers is equal to 11 multiplied by 9, 99. 11 number is equal to sum of 11 numbers minus sum of 10 numbers. Means 99 minus 80 is equal to 19. We left. So the 11th number is 19. 11th number is 19. Which we add up. You can got. When you add up 19. Here in the next data set, your mean become 9. So we can find the value of 11th number. Give various method for computing arithmetic mean for group data. The name of different methods, as you know, to computing arithmetic mean, we have three methods: direct method, shortcut method, and coding method. Each formula divide into two categories: for group data and for ungrouped data. Here I write formula for group data, and I also tell you the formula of ungrouped data. So direct method for ungrouped data is x bar is equal to sum of x over n. And when frequency involved, it means your data is now group. And in case of frequency, x bar is equal to sum of f of x over sum of f. Here is shortcut method. Ungrouped data for shortcut method, x bar is equal to a plus sum of d over n. But when frequency involved, in case of group data, x bar is equal to a plus multiply by frequency with deviation d fd, sum of fd over sum of f. Coding method for ungrouped data, x bar is equal to a plus sum of u over n. As you know, small n is equal to sum of f. In frequency, small n convert to sum of f. When we add up all frequencies, it is equal to sum of f. In case of ungrouped data, total number of observation. Frequency is also the total number of observation, but you categorize in a group. So it is called frequency and sum of f. Multiply by h. H is the class interval. So for the formula for group data, here in front of your screen, x bar is equal to a plus sum of f of u over sum of f multiplied by h. Question number 32. In a party, each child was asked to state the number of children in his or her family. 2 families said 1 child. 4 families said 2 child. 12 families said 3 childs. Our first task is, how many families were at the party? Find the mean number of children per family. So number of children 1, 2, 3. Maximum children are each family 1. Number of families with 1 children. 2 families have 1 children. 2 families said 1 child. 4 families said 2 child. Here 4 families said 2 child. And 12 families said 3 child. So this is frequency and number of children is x. How many families? Sum of f. So this is the answer of first questions. 18 families included in the party. Means 18 families participated in the party. And our next task is find the mean number of children per family. Average children each family has. Now we calculate its mean. So this is group data. So we calculate it with the help of direct method. X bar is equal to sum of f of x over sum of f. For sum of f of x, we multiply f with x. 2 multiply 1, 2, 4, 2 multiply by 4, 2, 8, 12 multiply by 3, 36. And add up sum of f of x is equal to 46. 46 over 18, 2.56. Or the answer is 3. X bar is equal to 3. Number of families 18. Mean number of children per family is 3. For a frequency distribution, the mean is 40.5, median is 36. Find the approximate value of the mod using the empirical relation connecting them. In this question, mean is given, median is also given, and we find the approximate value of mod with the help of empirical relation. I read this because this is the important word, empirical relation. So first you know about the empirical relation between mean, median and mode to calculate this question. You know about what is mean, median and mode. The relationship, empirical relationship between mean, median and mode. So this is the empirical relationship. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 median minus 2 mean. So put the answer here. 3 into median is 36, 36 minus 2 mean 40.5. After simplification, mod, you got the answer of mod, which is 27. Question number 34. If mod is equal to 25, median is equal to 30. Find the approximate value of mean. So the relationship is mod is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Here we want the answer of mean. So mod is equal to the right answer here, mod 25, 3 into 30 minus 2 mean. So change their sides. When this term goes on left side, it will be plus, and this term when goes to right side, it will be minus. As you know, when we change the side of digit, its sign change. Plus convert into minus and minus convert into plus. Same thing happen here. 2 mean is equal to 90 minus 25. Now we left with answer 65. 65 divided by 2. Answer is 32.5. So your mean is equal to 32.5. Define harmonic mean. What is harmonic mean? Harmonic mean denoted by H, capital letter H, of a set of n values x1, x2, x3, so on xn is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean. It is the reciprocal, inverse means inverse of the arithmetic mean, of the reciprocal of the values. Here it is also the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean, also the reciprocal of the values. As you see, in arithmetic mean sum of x over n, but here n over sum of x. Suppose it is sum of x. So it is the reciprocal, inverse, it is a reciprocal of arithmetic mean, also the reciprocal of the values. As you know, see, value is not as x1, x2, it is as 1 over x1 plus 1 over x2 plus 1 over x3 plus 1 over x4, so on, plus 1 over xn. So arithmetic mean denoted by H is the reciprocal of the, so harmonic mean is denoted by H is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean, because as you know, it is inverse or reciprocal of arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean sum of x over n is here is n over sum of x. So also the reciprocal of the values. So this is the formula, 1 over n sum of 1 over xi. I define again harmonic mean H of a set of n values x1, x2, x3, so on xn is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the values. The mean of reciprocal is the sum of deviation of 15 values from 20 is 25. Find harmonic, find arithmetic mean. The sum of deviation of 15 from 20 is 45. The sum of deviation of 15 from 20 is 45. So the word deviation means we can solve with the help of short formula. When deviation, it means it appears D. When appear D, you solve your question with the help of short formula. When in your question appear u, it will be held with the help of coding method or class interval. This is a sign we solve the question with the help of coding method. So deviation is the sign we solve it with d. So understand this statement. Sum of deviation of 15 values, n is 15. Sum of deviation of 15 values from 20. From 20 means a, because as you know d is x minus a. From 20 means each observation from means minus 20 is 45. Is say appear is equal to 45. Sum of d means sum of deviation of 15 values, n here is 15, from 20, x minus 20 is 45. So now you have each thing. What is for ungrouped data? What is your short formula? X bar is equal to a plus sum of d over n. Sum of d is equal to 45. Put here 40. We got here a. Right here a, because as you know from each observation a is minus 20 plus 45 over 15. 20 plus 3, the answer is 23. X bar is equal to 23. Define median with formula. What is median? A value which divides the rate data, which will be in ascending or descending form, into two equal parts. The value which divides rate data into two equal parts. As you know, to calculate median, first of all you arrange your data in ascending form or in descending form. So for ungrouped data, if your n is odd, the median formula is n plus 1 by 2. Tooth observation. Suppose small n is 5. We put here 5. 5 plus 1 by 2. 6 by 2, 3. Third value in your arranged data is median for odd observations. And for even, suppose your n is 6. So put here n by 2th observation, 6 by 2, 3. Third observation, here 6 by 2 plus 1 by taking LCM, 6 plus 2 by 2, 8 by 2, fourth. So after simplification, this is third value and this is fourth value. So your arranged data, third and fourth value, add up third and fourth observation and divided by 2. Nth means this is observation. Take observation. Take your observation or data at third position and at fourth position. Add up and divided by 2. So you can solve this with the help of even data. For group data, median is equal to L plus H over F n by 2 minus CF. CF means cumulative frequency, n number of observation, n by 2, H class interval, F is the frequency and L is lower class boundary. For group data, this is the formula to calculate median. So these are the formulas for ungrouped data. We have two formulas for median, for odd values and for even values. This is for odd observation and this is for even data set. And for group data, the formula is L plus H over F n by 2 minus correction factor. Question number 38. Define mean and mode. Give two methods for calculating mean. So arithmetic mean is the value obtained by dividing the sum of values by their number. X bar is equal to sum of x over n. So this is formula that I explained with direct method. So this is the definition, sum of all observations divided by the number of observations. Its shortcut method is the formula for short method. X bar is equal to a plus summation d over n for ungrouped data, where d is equal to a minus x minus a. A is the assumed mean, and you take assumed mean mostly at the middle of near about middle of observations. For group data, x bar is equal to a plus sum of fd over sum of f. We read also these formulas in previous question. And for mode, definition of mode, the most repeated value is called mode. The most repeated value or most repeated observations is called mode. Here are the values 2, 4, 8, 2, 9 and the most repeated value is 2. So 2 is the mode. Mode for group data. Group data L plus Fm minus F1 over Fm minus F1 plus Fm minus F2 multiply by H. H is the lower class, L is the lower class boundary, H is the class interval, F is the maximum frequency present, Fm is the maximum frequency present, F1 is the preceding class and this is the F2 is the lower class. And by applying in this formula you can calculate mode. We can solve this each question on my videos. Solved questions about measure of central tendency part 1, part 2, part 3 that you can find from my channel Statisticians Club, and see solved numericals there. Question number 39. If n1 is equal to 3, n2 is equal to 2, y1 bar is equal to 3, y2 bar is equal to 4 and y bar c. C subscript C me shows combined mean. So y bar c is equal to n1 y1 bar n2 y2 bar over n1 plus n2. So n1 3 y1 bar 3. 3 multiply by 3 9 plus n2 2 y bar 4 multiply 8. 9 plus 8 17 divided by n1 plus n2. 3 plus 2 5. 3.4 is the answer. Question number 40. Write down the properties of arithmetic mean. First property, the sum of deviation of values. Sum of deviation of values from their mean is 0. Here is some error. Right equation is sum of x minus x bar is equal to 0. So sum of deviations means minus. Deviation represent minus. Deviate minus. We can show it in mathematical sign minus. So each observation deviate minus from their mean. Mean represent x bar is 0. Number 2 property. If n1 value have mean x1, n2 value have mean x2, so on nk have mean xk, then how can we find mean? This is the formula of combined mean. We solve previous question with combined mean. So the two methods show combined mean. We subscribe here c, x bar c or x double bar. You can choose according to your choice. X double bar is also the representation of combined mean, or simply x bar c in subscript. This is subscript here at this position, small letter c is subscript. n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar plus so on nk xk bar over n1 plus n2 plus so on nk. Multiply each observation with its mean adding up and divided by n1 plus n2 plus so on nk. So here is the mean. Number 3. The sum of squares of deviation of values x from any value a is minimum if and only if. Here if your a is equal to x bar, so it will be minimum. For example, you have 2 and 3 assumed mean. One is your actual mean and next assumed mean you can take middle value. Which value is minimum? That when you take deviation from mean, this will be minimum. Sum of deviation it means each observation x minus deviation, which is your a is your assumed mean. If your assumed mean is equal to x bar, suppose that here is x bar and you take square and then sum. The answer deviation from mean is minimum among other assumed mean that you take. This is third property. Fourth property. The arithmetic mean is affected by change of origin and change of scale. Change of origin means from each observation add or plus something. For example, your data set is 5, I add 2, 5 plus 2. Next is 7, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 2. So this represents change of origin. And change of scale, when you multiply or divide, so it means change of scale. So arithmetic mean is affected by change of scale. When you add something, your answer of your mean is changed. When you subtract something, answer of your mean is changed. When you to multiply something with your data set, your answer will change. When you divide something with your data set, your answer will change. So arithmetic mean is affected by change of origin and change of scale. This is the fourth property. Question number 41. The mean of n values is 8. If new value 28 is indicated, the mean becomes 9. Find the value of n. So I again repeat, the mean of n values is 8. The mean of n. So here we have number of observation, which is n, and its mean x bar is 8. So what is the absent? Means sum of values, sum of x. In mathematical form, sum of x. We solve this type of question in previous numerical in the same video. I think at 33 or 34th position. So sum of n values is, as you know, direct formula for arithmetic mean x bar is equal to sum of x over n. So by cross multiplication, sum of x is equal to nx bar. Sum of x is equal to nx bar. So your n x bar is 8, 8n. Sum of n plus 1 values, 9 into n plus 1. So here your n is now n plus 1 and mean is 9. Because we add up new value 28 included in mean becomes 9. We find n. What is n? So 9n is equal to 9. So the two sums are equal. 8n plus 28, 9n plus 9. So after simplification, 9n minus, we take 8n to this side and 9 to this side. As you know, by changing the position of words from left to right, its sign change. Plus convert into minus and minus convert into plus. So n is equal to 19. So our n is 9. Question number 42. Find mode and median of the latter statistics. As you know, by definition, mode is the most repeated value. So the most repeated value in word statistics search. S comes 3 times, T comes 3 times, I 2 times, C and A 1 time. So the most repeated observation are S and T. So this word statistics has 2 mode, S and T. How we calculate median? As you know, as median we arrange data in ascending or descending order. I arrange in ascending order alphabetically, means first write A, then C at position C, then I, then the number is S, triple S, and then triple T. And after this, so these two S, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 5, this is 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10. Fifth and sixth, these two S are the mode. So the are the median. So answer the n is 10 for even. The formula of median is fifth item n by 2, 10 by 2 fifth item, and n plus 1 by 2 when we put 10 means 12 by 2 sixth. Fifth position and sixth position are our median. So fifth position plus sixth position divided by 2. S plus S, these are two same numbers. S plus 2 divided by 2, then 2S by 2, 2 divided by 2, the answer is S. So median is S. When you calculate, median is S. Question number 43. Write two merits of geometric mean. It is based on all values, and number 2, it gives equal weights to all values. State disadvantages of geometric mean or demerits. We can also say disadvantages as demerit. It is neither easy to calculate nor simple to understand. Number 2, it vanishes if any of observation is 0, because by definition geometric means is the nth root of the product of number of observations. When you multiply your data set and one observation is 0, what is the answer? 0 multiplied by 0. When your answer is 0, it means everything in vanishes and you cannot find geometric mean. So when 0 appear, you cannot find geometric mean. It cannot be computed for any negative values, because when you take negative values after multiplication, its answer will be negative, and by taking square root or logarithmic term, it is difficult to find. So it cannot be computed, and it may locate a value at point at which few or none of the actual values lie. I made a separate video on merits and demerits of geometric mean. The link of this video you can find at the end of screen, and you can see detailed merits and demerits of geometric mean from there. Calculate mean. If n is equal to 10, sum of u is equal to 100, h is equal to 2, where d is equal to x minus 50. So, as you know, here is u. When u appears, it means it is the sign of coding method. So the data is as it is clear, there is no f. It means data is ungrouped. So coding method for ungrouped data, x bar is equal to a plus sum of u over n multiplied by h. Here in question, h is given, d is equal to x minus a. In general form, d is equal to x minus a. It means 50 is our a. 50 plus sum of u 100 over n number of observation 10 multiplied by 2h is equal to 70. So this is after simplification you got answer 70. Question number 46. If the value of Q2, D5, P50 are equal to 27.12, then find median of the distribution. As you know, second quartile is equal to median, because Q1 is equal to 1 to 25 data and Q2 is 25 to 50. So quartile deviation lies, second quartile lies in the middle of value. D5, as you know, decile divides the data into 10 equal parts. D1 is equal to 1 to 10, D2 is equal to 11 to 20, D3 is equal to 21 to 30, D4 is equal to 31 to 40, D5 is equal to 41 to 50. So D5 light as the middle of data and median represent the middle of data or middle values. So D5 is also is equal to median. And P50. Percentile divides the data into 100 equal parts. P1 represent first position, P2 second, P3 third, so on, P13 13th, P2 33 33, P45 45 number, and P50 is at the middle of the data set, P50. So Q2, D5 and P50 equal to median, so its median is also 27.12. If mean is equal to 20, median is equal to 18.67, find mod. By empirical relation, we solved its question in previous example in the same video. Mod is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 mod 18.67 minus 2 median 20. By multiplying this, 56.091 minus 40, 16.10. This is mod. Question number 48. L is equal to 60, H is equal to 10, F 20, N 80, C is equal to 30. Find median. So, formula of median for group data is L plus H over F N by 2 minus C. L lower class bound is 6 plus H 10, put here 10, F 20 20, N 80 80 by 2 minus C is 30. By simplification, you got the answer 65. What are the other name of averages? Geometric mean, harmonic mean, arithmetic mean, or other averages. Question number 50. In a single peaked symmetrical distribution, mean is equal to 5, median is equal to 5. Then what will be mod? As you know, in symmetrical distribution, when your distribution is symmetrical, in symmetrical distribution, mean is equal to median is equal to mod. Remember that in symmetrical position, symmetrical means equal, means it is divided by equally positive and negative values. Symmetrical distributions mean it is equally divided into positive and negative values. So due to this reason, its mean is equal to median, median is equal to mod. So when mean is equal to 5, median is equal to 5, then mod is also is equal to 5. In skewed distribution, if mod is equal to 15, median mean is equal to 10.5, find median in skewed distribution. So empirical relation is mod is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So we calculate median, it means mod plus 2 mean. Take this term on left side, mod plus 2 mean. When you take term on the other side, minus convert into plus, mod plus 2 mean, and by cross multiplication, 3 is the divisor of this side. We can write this as median is equal to mod plus 2 mean divided by 3. So mod 15 plus 2 mean 10.5 divided by 3, answer is 12.3. Sorry, means answer is 12. When 3 divided by 36, answer is 12 simply. This is wrongly written. Answer is 12. Median is equal to 12. Question number 51. Given that median is equal to 15, mod is equal to 20. By using empirical relationship, find the value of mean. So as you know, formula for empirical relationship, mod is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. When we take this term on left side and mod on right side, so 2 mean is equal to 3 median minus mod. This plus sign convert into minus and this minus convert into plus. Mean is equal to 3 median minus 2 minus mod over 2. Put values 3 into 15 minus 20 by 2. The answer is 12.5. Question number 52. if x bar is equal to 3, y is equal to 50 minus 5x. So as you know, when we take sum of this term, sum of y is equal to 50 minus 5 sum of x, divided both sides by n, sum of y over n, it converts y bar, and this convert x bar. So we can write it as y bar is equal to 50 minus 5x bar. So 50 minus 5x bar 3, the answer is 35. Your y bar is 35. Here you want to calculate y bar. So first of all, convert these values in mean. Y bar is equal to 50 minus 5x bar. How can we convert? Again the procedure. Suppose that this is equation, summing both equation, where variable show you sum, you apply summation sign. So this equation becomes sum of y is equal to 50 minus 5 sum of x, or yes, summation x. Now divide this term by n. Sum of y over n, here sum of x over n. Sum of y over n means y bar. Sum of x over n means x bar. So we can write this equation as y bar is equal to 50 minus 5x bar. So when put the answer x bar, we got the answer of y bar. Question number 53. If sum of 15 values is 300, by adding 2 more values, it becomes 360. Find the new values if ratio between them is 1:4. So first we calculate this portion. N is 15, sum is 300. And next, by adding 2 terms, n is 17 and sum of x is 360. So sum of 2 values, difference between 2, sum of 17 numbers and sum of 15 numbers. 360 minus 300 is equal to 360. So the two numbers are A, B, which is 60. Now we divide this number into 2 numbers. We divide this answer 60 into 2 numbers, find new values of ratio. The question asks ratio 1:4 because one ratio number is 1 and the second number will be at 4th ratio. So we divide here our data, our answer into 2 numbers. Suppose that these numbers are A and B. So these are the 2 numbers. 12 multiplied by 4. 12 multiplied by 2, 24. 12 multiplied by 3, 36. 12 multiplied by 4, 48. So 12 and 48 are 2 numbers. By summing these 2 numbers, it is 60, and and these numbers are also present in the ratio of 1 to 4th. Question number 54. What happened to mean, median, geometric mean and harmonic mean? If 10% is subtracted from each value of the given data. We read it when we the fourth property of arithmetic mean. Go to fourth property of arithmetic mean as we read in previous question. Mean affected by change of origin and change of scale. So I define here change of scale means multiplication or division. So when you increase 10%, what happen mean median if 10% subtracted? So 10% subtracted means change of origin. So 10% decrease in all mean, median, mode and geometric mean. Write 2 properties of harmonic mean. It is based on all values. It is capable of further algebraic manipulation. You can find merits and demerits of detailed explanation about merits and demerits are properties of harmonic mean at the end of your screen. Its link is at the end of screen. Define geometric mean. What is geometric mean? Geometric mean is represented by a capital letter G of a set of nth positive values x1, x2, so on, xn is the nth root. This is root definition. You can learn your definition from your mathematical formula. How? Remember, nth root. This is nth root of the product. This is product of the values. Product of the values. Your values are in general form x1, x2, so on, xn. So this is the product of the values of nth root. Or in other words, we can say it, nth root of the product of values is called geometric mean. In mathematical form, we can write is as under root n or 1 over n. So what is geometric mean? Geometric mean is represented by G is a set of positive values x1, x2, so on, xn. If someone said take its geometric mean. So what is geometric mean? Geometric mean is the nth root of the product of the values. So this is nth root of the product of the values. Question number 57. Proof that y minus y and minus y is equal to 0. Suppose that y has values 3, 10, 8, 5 and 4. First of all, we calculate its mean. Here is y minus y bar. These are the observations 3, 10, 8, 5, 4, 30. Y minus y bar, so 5 observations. The formula, direct formula for arithmetic mean is y bar is equal to sum of y over n. Sum of y is 30 over n is 5. When you divide 30 with 5, 5 divided by 30 is equal to 30 divided by 5, answer is 6. So your mean is 6. First you calculate y bar. I again repeat, by direct method y bar is equal to sum of y over n. So sum of y is equal to 30 divided by n, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 divided by y bar is equal to 6. yi minus y bar, 3 minus 6 minus 3, 10 minus 6 4, 8 minus 6 2, 5 minus 6 minus 1, 4 minus 6 minus 2, answer is 0. So this is the first property that we read, sum of deviation from mean is 0. Sum of deviation from minus, proof here is something error. Here we write sum, not z. Sum y minus y bar. Y minus y bar. Remember that what we prove, sum of y minus y bar is equal to 0. So we prove that it is equal to 0. We prove this sum of y minus y bar is equal to 0. Here something error. We write the same thing that right here, sum of y minus y bar is equal to 0. How we can this is our data set, y is equal to 3, 10, 8, 5, 4. So the sum of y is equal to 30. Answer is, here we want to calculate y bar is equal to sum of y over n. 30 divided by 5, 6. So subtract each observation with 6 and here you left with 0. See, calculate, question number 58. Calculate median for the given data. This is the data set arranging in ascending order 84.60, 88.03, 94.50, 94.90, 95.05. So total number of observation are 5. Our n is odd. So remember that this is ungrouped data. Median formula for ungrouped data is n by 2. N plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2. So 5 plus 1, 6 divided by 2, 3. Third value, which is median. I again repeat, first arrange your data set in ascending order from lowest to highest, and this is ungrouped data, and next what is n? N is 5. This is odd. So for ungrouped data and n is odd, the formula for median is n plus 1 by 2. So 5 plus 1, 6 by 2, 2. 6 by 2, 3. So your median is at third number, 94.50. 59. If a series comprises of 50 values, each equal to 5, then what will be average and dispersion of the series? So its average, as you know, x bar is equal to sum of x over n. So each series comprises 50 values and 50, and each observation is 5. So we can write is 50 into 5, because 50 values and each value is 5 divided by 50. Answer is 5. So mean is constant 5. Measure of dispersion, its standard deviation is 0, because there is no variation in data set. As you know, 5 plus 5, 5, this is the same number. There is no variation. If in your data set of such type 5, 6, 3, 2, 2, 4, there is variation, because 5 to 6 there is variation of 1 point. 4 to 3 there is variation of less than 1 point. But in this data set 5, 5 there is no variation. 5 is the same number. So measure of dispersion determines the variation in data set. Because there is no variation, so your standard deviation is constant and variance of x is equal to 0. Question number 60. Define quartile. What is quartile? The value which divide a data into 4 equal parts. First, second and third quartiles denoted by Q1, Q2 and Q3 respectively. Q is the first quartile and takes the value 1 to 25, Q2 26 to 50, Q3 51 to 75, and the rest is quartile data for quartile 4. So these are the 3 quartiles, and quartile divides the data into 4 equal parts. Average of 5, the value is 70. Find the sum. X bar is equal to sum of x over n. When you calculate sum of x, it by cross multiplication it will be nx bar. Sum of x is equal to nx bar. Your n is 5 and the x bar is 70. Multiply by 5 is 70. The answer is sum of x 350. For a frequency distribution of a variable, it is given that x is equal to 10 plus 5u, sum of f is equal to 1 to 5, sum of fu is equal to minus 45. Find the value of mean. So x bar is equal to 10 plus 5u. When u and f both occur, it means u is the presence of coding formula and f is the sign of group data. So first write up your formula for group data. For group data with coding method, x bar is equal to a plus summation fu over summation f observe h. I repeat again, when your data set shows frequency, it means it is a sign of group data, and when u appears, it means you solve this with the help of coding method, not use other method like direct method or short method. So for group data, formula for coding method is a plus summation fu over summation f observe h. Now search these things from formula. Summation fu is equal to minus 45 given. Summation f 1 to 5 given. and x is equal to 10 plus 5u. We calculate a and h. As you know, in general form, u is equal to x minus a over h. U is equal to x minus a over h. So, when take this 10 other side, this is wrongly written x bar, this is simple x. X minus 10, 5u. And u is equal to x minus 10 over 5. By simplification, we write this u is equal to x minus 10 over 5. And general form, u is equal to x minus a over h. So here in this question, our a is 10 and our h is 5. So put this in this formula, 10 plus minus 45, 125 is 5. After simplification, your mean is 8.2. A distribution consists of three components with respective sides 45, 40, 65 along with their mean to 2.52. Compute combined mean. And 1 is equal to 45 and 2 is equal to 40 and 3 is equal to 65. x1 bar 2, x2 bar 2.5, x3 bar 2 as given in question. The formula for combined mean x double bar, or you can write it x bar in subscript small c. This when you write something here is called subscript in small letter. So x bar c you can write also according to your choice, or x double bar. n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar plus n3 x3 bar over n1 plus n2 plus n3. Put all values in combined mean and your combined mean is 2.13. Question number 64. What are merits and demerits of median? Any two. So here we write two merits and demerits of median, and you can find detailed merits and demerits of median at the end screen. You can find its link at the end screen. You can find link of median, geometric mean, harmonic mean, merits and demerits of, and also solved numerical. The median is simple to understand and easy to calculate. Number 2, it is not affected by extremely large or extremely small values. Demerits, it is not really defined and it is based on all values. 65. Find mod. Mod is the most repeated value. So this is ungrouped data. For ungrouped data, we can find mod the most repeated value. Here the most repeated value is 3. So this is 10. 11 not, this is 10. But in this data set, if we take mod, only one mod, which is 3, not 2. If here is 10, then there are two mod, 3 and 10. So this is because the most repeated value is 3. 3 appears 2 times, and next term 7, 8, 11, 10, 12. So your answer is 3. If here is 10, 10, 10, then the mod will be 3 and 10. Any two merits of mod. Number 1, it is simple to understand and easy to calculate. It is not affected by extreme large and small observations. It is simple to understand because the most frequent value, the value which appear in most frequent, then this is mod. If two values appear same number of time, most frequent, then this distribution or this data set has two mod. Number 2, it is not affected by extremely large or small observations because mod is not based on our data set. It is based on most frequent value. So it is not affected by extremely large or small observations. Question number 67. N1 10, x1 bar 15, x2 bar 18, n2 12. Find combined mean. X bar c n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar over n1 plus n2. You can show combined mean with the x double bar as I show in previous question. This is on your choice. Put the values 10, 15 plus 12, 18, 10 plus 12, When after multiplication 316 over 22 16.64. Question number 68. Mean is equal to 75, mod is equal to 7. Find median. Empirical formula, mod is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 median is equal to mod plus 2 mean. Median is equal to mod plus 2 mean over 3. Mod is equal to 70 plus mean is equal to 2 into 75 by 3. 73.3. Median is equal to 73.3. Question number 69. Sum of x minus 10 is equal to 2.8, n is equal to find. Find sample mean. Here deviation appear. So this deviation is the sign of short formula. Because there is no frequency, so it is ungrouped data. Short formula for ungrouped data is x bar is equal to a plus sum of d over n. So in general form d is equal to x minus a. X minus 10 means your a is 10. 10 plus sum of deviation xi minus 10 shows d, sum of deviation, sum of d is equal to 2.8. 2.8 divided by n 5. So answer is 10.56. Question number 70. x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 10. Showed that geometric mean is equal to arithmetic mean multiplied by harmonic mean under root is equal to geometric mean. So we show this, and our x1 and x2 are, x1 is 4, x2 is 8. First we calculate geometric mean. Geometric mean is the nth root of the product of values. We have two observations, so its nth root is 2 under root x1 x2. 4 multiplied by 10 and its nth root is 8. Arithmetic mean is equal to sum of observation divided by 2 by definition. A plus b by 2, 4 plus 16 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Harmonic mean is equal to 2ab over a plus b. Harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of values. After simplification we can find 2ab over a plus b. So put the values and answer is 6.4 after simplification. Now geometric mean is equal to under root arithmetic mean harmonic mean. Arithmetic mean is 10, harmonic mean is equal to 6.5. 10 multiplied by 6.5, answer is 64. Under root 64 is equal to 8. So put these values here, 8 is equal to 8. It means we prove that geometric mean is equal to under root arithmetic mean and harmonic mean. Question number 71. If geometric mean of 3 items is 7, find product of all items. Geometric mean is equal to nth root of their product because we have 3 observations a, b, c. Here is 3 a, b, c, we can write it 1 over 3. So geometric mean of 3 observation is 7. Put geometric mean 7 is equal to a, b, c, 3. Taking cubic root both sides. A, b, c is equal to 3, 4, 3. So we find the product of all terms. We have 3 terms a, b, c, and our task is to calculate its product. So here we calculate the product of 3 terms a, b, c. If you want to see videos about solved question about measure of central tendency part first, merits and demerits of geometric mean, harmonic mean, median, you can find its link in front of your screen. I also solved complete lectures about measure of central tendency at intermediate level, and next chapter measure of dispersion probability. And keep watching my channel YouTube on YouTube Statisticians Club. I upload next videos. Thanks for watching.